Hey, it's Liz with Lawsuit Tracker. Thank you so much for the comment. I'm sorry to hear that you have been suffering due to a hernia mesh injury. As far as a second opinion goes, there's not really a way to get one. With these types of cases, once you've hired your attorney, you're retained by them, and then they pull all of your medical records, they review them, and know all the facts of your specific case. If you were to call another attorney and ask why your settlement amount was what it was, there would be no way for them to know that because they don't have your medical records. They're not your legal representation, and then they also wouldn't review all those facts because you're not their client, and you can't be their client because you're already retained by someone else. When you do hire an attorney, you're not just hiring someone with legal knowledge, you are partnering with a professional who has specialized training in reviewing facts of the case and then the settlement agreement. Not only are they going to try to do a good job for you, they also have personal stakes as they work on a contingency basis, so logically it's also in their best interest to try to get you as high of a settlement amount as possible. If your attorney's evaluation does not align with your expectations, it's really important to call and speak directly with them and just request a detailed explanation of the reasoning behind their assessment, and then understanding which specific facts influenced the evaluation. So a lot of times the attorneys are limited by whatever your medical records say specifically. So my best advice would be to reach out, speak to them, ask to try to understand a little bit better why it is the way it is. But based off of the settlement terms, usually it's going to be the same across the board. It doesn't really matter for the most part who your attorney is as long as they're competent, which I assume they are. But thank you again so much for the comment and wishing you the best.